Stop. Hey girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sha'Kenya, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this glowy makeup look. I typically don't do makeup looks like this. I really prefer matte, but I was like, let me do something different because my skin is very dry in the fall and winter, and yeah, I was like, I need to do something different. Let's get a girl something different. Let's get a girl something cute. So yeah, if this is a video that you are interested in seeing, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you know when I am posting, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So the most important part of your makeup application is the skin prep. My skin is clean, it's very dry, so we are going to add some hydration and get my skin looking glowy and prep for my makeup look. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Tower Spray. This is accepted by the National Eczema Association, okay? Because your girl gets dry patches. The eczema flare-ups start, and then I'll be having dry patches, and we don't want that. You don't want the dry patches showing, busting through the bando, okay? You don't want them busting through the bando, busting right through the makeup. We don't like that. So, right, letting that dry in. I'm not going to let it dry down completely. I'm just going to go in with the rest of my product. So the first product I'm going to use is my Honey Halo Moisturizer. But I'm not putting this all over my face. I'm only putting it underneath my eyes because this is very, very hydrating. And I just really want to make sure that underneath my eyes is moisturized. Because this is typically where I get the dry patches, the irritation during the colder months. Okay, now the next product is going to be my Belief Aqua Bomb, and this is, I'm putting this all over my face. Like, you see how hydrated my skin looks? Yeah, that's what we want. That's exactly what we want. I'm gonna put some in the corners of my nose because I feel like sometimes it's dry, and sometimes actually when I do my makeup, I feel like it's like it creases over here because like it's a lot of oil that sits there. But I'm just gonna make sure I put some setting powder there and absorb all of the moisture, but we don't want it to be dry. So the next product that I'm gonna use is my Milk Primer, and this is the Hydro Grip, and I'm using 3 pumps, okay, because I'm being extra today. I'm using 3 pumps, and honestly, I'm really using 3 pumps because I've had this for a while and I need to use it. I said after I finished this, I wasn't going to buy it anymore because I just feel like I always use, well, I started to use, where is it? My e.l.f. primer. Here it is. This is the same exact thing. I do feel like this is a bit more like stickier, but it's the same thing. This one has niacinamide, but they have a green one that looks, it's the same as Milk. But I just was like, if I can get this for how much? A quarter of the price? Because it's not even half of the price. Like a quarter of the price. Why continue to buy Milk? You know what I'm saying? And I love Milk, don't get me wrong, but when they put me on a PR list, that's when we're gonna be back in action. They do have another spray though that I did want to try, which I probably will. But as far as the Hydro Grip Primer, no. We're gonna stick with e.l.f. and that's just that. Right now, I'm going to just take that. I'm gonna use my One Size, the pink powder, and put that right here. On the corners of my nose. So I have not used this in a very long time. This is my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Natural Radiance Foundation, so that's what we're using. And the crazy thing is I haven't used it in a long time, but it just shows you how much of the product is in here because it's not a lot. Because it looked like I've been using it a lot, and I have not. You know what, let's do our eyebrows first because I don't even know why I'm doing that. I never even do my foundation first. So I'm gonna just outline my brow. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my foundation. My brows are not done. Sometimes when I have days where my brows are easy to do, and then other days where they're not easy to do. So today's one of those days where I'm having a little bit of difficulty, and we're just gonna move forward. Now, usually, you know what? I would take my Janessa Myricks palette and color correct, but I'm only gonna color correct right here because I don't think this foundation is pretty full coverage, in my opinion. So I don't need to put too much. I just put it right there in those marks because those are pretty dark. But yeah, I really don't need the whatchamacallit, the color. I don't need to color correct. So I'm just, as you can see, I'm just tapping, and I'm not putting too much foundation under my eye. By mistake, I put that much underneath there. I didn't mean to though, because now I used to always move my foundation all the way completely like underneath my eye, but I'm not doing that anymore because I'm just like, we want it to be we don't want cakey makeup, and I don't ever feel like my makeup was cakey, but I do feel like sometimes I had difficulty blending out my concealer because I just had so much underneath my eye, like the foundation and the concealer. So yeah, now I know y'all probably like, what's going on? This, I don't know either. I don't know either, because I've only used this I think twice, but when was I using this? I just feel like I don't know. It's a little bit like, I don't know, is it orange or yellow? But look at my, well, it doesn't match my chest, but my chest is light, right? Okay. But don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. This is what you gotta do. You gotta maneuver. Because when I got this, I kind of felt like it was just a tad bit off, but I was like, I can make it work, and I absolutely can. So I'm about to show you how I make it work. So we're gonna take the butterscotch concealer and go directly underneath the eyes. Well, I can't wait till my new one gets here because I need it. I'm just like literally scraping the inside. I'm scraping this. Like, look at the bottom. Trying to get it all. I don't want to use it all up because I'm gonna need to use this. And my package will be here on Tuesday. Okay, so now we're going in with the one size. This is in deep 4. I'm gonna use this to contour. Now I can also contour with a shade that's in my Janessa Myricks, but I just don't be wanting to use that for my contour. Well, at least not for my cream contour. For powder, I could for sure use the powder like on my nose, but not for my cream contour. I might try to use it again, but I don't know why I just feel like it's a lot of product that I need, and by the time I use all of it, I ain't gonna have no more left. But if I was using a contour shade, it would be Bark. It would be this one, because I've already used it before. So I also like to do a lighter shade on top of my highlight, and I don't know why I always forget to do my nose. Like, what is going on? What is happening? We're gonna do forehead, down the nose. Okay. Right here, and blend it out. Sometimes I use a beauty blender. Sometimes I use a what did I call? Oh, a brush. Honestly, I feel like brushes really like make your makeup look flawless, in my opinion. Like, sometimes the beauty blender does what it needs to do, but I feel like a brush just makes it look super duper like professional. Like, oh, who did your face? But it looks just very airbrushed and light, I feel like. And I feel like with a brush you can blend your face out, your makeup out so good. Now, I know I told you I got carpal tunnel. My arm is on fire, and so is my wrist. My wrist is affected by the carpal tunnel, not my arm, but whew, it's hurting. Let me hurry up. Y'all supposed to be 80 degrees today in New York. 80 degrees? Huh. 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 Don't make me. Don't make me. Don't make me do what? What am I talking about? Oh, my arm is on fire. It's on fire. See that under eye? I like when my eyes look like that. Looks like a fox. Foxy. Like this is art. This is do y'all realize this is art? Do you know the things that you could do to your face? Like, are y'all seeing this happen? Okay, now we're just gonna go back in, extend that brow. See, and I'm just using leftover product. We're gonna add our blush, and you're gonna tap, 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 tap. What do I want to use? I guess I could use, yeah, I'll use this one. I'm gonna use it on this side. I got a dirty makeup brush. Don't judge me, okay? I'm going to set my under eye. That's what I'm gonna do, set my under eye with my pink one size powder. I really like this powder, like a lot. Now I'm not gonna put it anywhere else because I want to keep that like that glow, and it's a natural glow. It's not like oily. I'll put it down my nose, but I'm not adding anymore, and that's it, right? Because I have to bring the moisture back into my face. And now we are going to put this powder to bronze, and the powder doesn't, like, see how it doesn't take away the glow. It's just gonna make everything look really smooth, but it doesn't take away the glow. And then I have like glow like underneath my eyebrow, my brow line. I'm going to go back in with my whatchamacallit, my sponge, because I'm creasing, and then I'm gonna go over that and do my eyeshadow. All right, now we still got our glow, right? So let me see. I think that's, yeah, I'm not gonna put anything else on. So I'm going to, this is what I'm gonna do, the finishing touches. I'm gonna do my lips first, and then we're gonna add the highlight. So now it's time for the glow. Okay, so I'm gonna go in first with this one. What side is this? This is the after snack. Okay, I'm going with after snack, and we're just gonna put it right where my natural glow is already at, where I saw the shine. That's where I want to put it at, and I want to put it right here too. Like, I could of course bring it up, but see that shine? See how that shine is hitting that forehead? Now I'm gonna take my brush from Sigma. It's an E25 brush, and I'm gonna use the shimmery side to, should I? I wanna spray my face first, so hold on. Right? Yeah. So this is a good little something right there in the corner. A little light something. That looks so pretty. Wow. That looks really pretty. Okay, so this is nice. This is definitely glowy. So, and you know what? We could even do a little something on the lid. See, I'm trying to take things way too far. But I'm gonna do it. Oh, you know what? No, we're gonna do the brow bone. Under the brow. Is that the brow bone? Yeah, the brow bone. The brow bone. Spice it up. I've never done a look like this before. I know you're like, well, it looks the same as... No, it's not. It's not actually. Actually, it's not. Actually, it's not the same because I never want my face to look like this, but like glowy. This is not... I don't think... Yeah, because this is not considered to be dewy. I don't do... Dewy? No, you ain't gonna catch me doing a dewy look. I might try one day. I'll probably try. I'll try. I'm not gonna say that. I would try it, but that don't mean I'm gonna be wearing it. So now I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna use this one, the Mo Honey. Right here. Yeah. That looks so pretty. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Cause I was gonna put it on my eyelid, but I said, nah, you doing too much. You're doing too much. You're doing too much, ma'am. Are y'all seeing this? This looks good. This looks good, girl. I like this a lot. I really don't do my makeup. Like, this is so cute. Oh, this about to be my new look, honey. It's gonna be my new look. I really like this. Stop it. Stop it. Girl, this is cute, honey. I really like this a lot. Let's see if my hair wanna act right, cause when you put your hair in a doobie, honey, like you wrap it one way, then when you put it down, then one side is sticking up, then you wrap it the other way, then that side's sticking up. I just be like, all right, this looks good. All right, girls, that's it. It's a wrap. That's the look. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comment box below. Also, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. And I will see you in the next one.